Welcome back to Chill with Sabby. I hope you're all well. Don't forget there is a giveaway on the channel, so don't miss it. Today the video is about Jada pink slips and the Hot Wheels pullback speeder. I had a great time unboxing and exploring these toy cars. So we have here Jada pink slips and certain other cars are available from the pink slips from the Jada toys. I'm going to unbox it and let's see how it looks in person. And I also have a Hot Wheels pullback speeder, which I'll get back to it later. The whole cover of the Jada toy is in pink color and it's taped up quite a bit. And it feels like you have to keep on unboxing. Now we have to unscrew it to take it out 1969 Mustang from its cover. And here it comes. And it looks cool. It has a pink line on the side and it looks exactly like a real car, which is in black color. It has a well-detailed tail lights and the wheels are also pink. They move really smooth. And it has a movable part. You can open the door, actually both doors open, and you can see the interior part of this car. Overall, it looks good. But the body is metal and the base is plastic. It doesn't feel like sturdy. Maybe Jada Toys will come up with the sturdier toys as they have a cool lineup from the Jada Toys. Now let's move on to the Hot Wheels pullback speeder. On the other hand, Hot Wheels pullback speeder, which is in grayish color and also has its own charm. The moving part where the hood comes up to reveal the well-detailed engine. I think these are a great collection of diecast cars, both the Jada toys and the Hot Wheels. The version of the 1969 Mustang, which are unique in their own ways. As the 1969 Mustang is indeed a special car with a rich history, being the last model of the Shelby GT500 until 2007. Its speed, reliability, and status makes it symbol of power and prestige. As for which one to choose, it really comes down to personal preference. Some might prefer the Jada toys for the detailed design and the fact that it's a part of the pink slip collection. Others might lean towards the Hot Wheels version for its classic appeal and the brand reputation for the quality. Ultimately, both are representation of the timeless legend, the 1969 Mustang. Whichever one you choose, you will have a piece of car history in your hands. So let me know in the comments which one you like, whether it's a Jada Toys or the Hot Wheels. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling and happy collecting.